What's good, fam? Today we back in the stew with the first Supreme live cop of the season. It's kind of crazy the fact that this shit is already back. I feel like it low-key kind of left. And just like that is right around the corner. We might have some regrets to go over at the end of this video, but I ended up picking a couple pieces and I'm excited to show you the live cop from this morning. Now, if you guys have been tuned in on the channel, low-key on Thursdays I do have work, so it kind of interferes with my whole live cop situation, but it is what it is. We still make it do what it do at the end of the day. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let's see if we could get this shit to 70 likes. Also, let me know in the comments if you ended up going for anything. Did you sleep or did you get some heat? Before we get started, I did want to say that I've been working on my website, so if you're interested in keeping up with my brand NORI, make sure you go ahead and go on NORI.co, sign up with your email. That way you are notified whenever we release anything. That shit means more than you would ever imagine, and I do appreciate each and every one of you who are watching this video right now. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So it was 11 a.m. this morning. Supreme typically takes a little minute to drop, but today there was none of that, bro. Box logo's out. I find the size large in the black, add that shit to my cart, and my dumb ass decided that it was smart to go back and get the fucking watercolor tee in the same cart. I don't know what led me to that, but that's what happened. So I go ahead and start putting all this capture shit that they doing. Boom, motorcycles, put the buttons in. Yes, run this shit, bro. I'm waiting at this point. I'm like, yo, I might have a solid chance at getting the BOGO. So I start putting all my information in. Nothing too special, you feel me? Stuff that y'all don't really need to see. That's what I'm doing at this point. I'm like, all right, you feel me? Hopefully we could get through. So, you feel me? Boom, boom, bang. Put my card information in. Approve, agree, process. Nope. Shit sold out. I'm like, oh hell nah, this is not the vibe this morning. So I go back and I'm like, yo, let me add that cream because it was looking clean. And then literally for like 2 minutes, this shit is obviously sped up. I'm trying to add different colors, trying to get them in cart, trying to check out, and it's just not working, bro. Like, all these bitches is sold out, I'm assuming, and they just got little sizes here and there. But listen, it's just not happening. So at a certain point, I'm like, yo, f this. Let me just go back, get the Kurt Cobain tee in the black. Let me get the T-Rex clapping the cheeks in the black. And let me get this messenger bag in the olive color. You feel me? Because at the end of the day, I could pack my little iPad in there, call it a day. So I'm like, all right, bro, let me check out with this cart. Hopefully I get lucky with this one because I'm not trying to lose the T-Rex clapping the cheeks. And the messenger, honestly, is looking like a vibe. So I'm going to need that too. I'm just putting all my information in. And y'all already know this process, so it doesn't really matter if I cover it or not. Boom. Card information, shit's processing. I'm like, yo, it's taking a little longer. Ended up hitting on the cart. Boom, I got a fat ass cart. 3 T's and the messenger bag in the olive. You feel me? With the little depressing messages on it, but it's okay, we'll be alright. So I go back, boom, hat section. Trying to get this S logo in the gray. I need that. Go to the overdyed beanie in this tan color. I'm like, yo, I don't got no beanies that color. Fuck it, let me get that too. So I go in, try to check out, same shit, different story. Boom, put the shit in, putting all my information in, card info, all that shit. They did actually remove Apple Pay. I'll talk about that in a little bit. Card info, bro. And I'm like, yo, process. This one took no time, like at all. This shit went straight through. Why couldn't the box logo do that for me, bro? They did me greasy with the BOGO, but at the end of the day, we hit on 3 shirts, messenger bag, a fitted, and we also hit on the beanie. I feel like it was kind of a success. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Seeing my card be charged for these amounts hit right here, bro. That shit hit home because I'm low-key working on my brand, which y'all can go sign up right here. You feel me? All you gotta do is put your email in. If you support me, then support my brand. We're small businesses out here, and low-key, if you got a girlfriend or a mama that likes candles, my girl's dropping her brand too, so sign up for her email list. Shit's coming soon, bro. We're low-key working behind the scenes, and it takes a lot to put some shit out, so the least that y'all could do is support. And I'm sorry for coming at your neck, bro. I'm sorry, for real. If y'all copped anything from Supreme, let me know in the comments what you ended up going for. Did you hit on the box logo? Did you take a L just like me? And if you did, let me know if y'all ended up going for anything else afterwards. I feel like it was a pretty successful day. Honestly, I didn't go for any accessories, which I typically do on week 1, but I'm trying to be more mindful of buying shit that I'm not really gonna use. That's why I bought some shirts, you feel me? Like, I know the Kurt Cobain tee I might not wear, but it's a good investment piece. T-Rex tee, I actually liked it. The watercolor tee was beautiful in my opinion as well, really well executed. And that messenger, I bought it because I don't really have any bags in that style, and since I am working on my brand NORI, you feel me, I kind of want to be able to carry my iPad if necessary, so I felt like it was a good move. Now the fitted in the beanie, honestly, those were the unnecessary purchases in my opinion, but at the end of the day, it is what it is, bro. Ended up going for it. Let me know if y'all ended up copping like I said before. If you enjoyed this one, get the video to 70 likes and I'll start doing more content. I also am gonna keep going live. I might fuck around, go live tomorrow. There might be some FTP shit dropping and I'm not trying to edit that shit, so we might go live. Stay tuned for that tomorrow, but leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what's something that you're looking forward to this year, and shit, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.